We've been closed for a week for renovations. If you look at the room, it's beautiful, it's nice and bright. We got some living wall action going on as you walk in. We're going to be opening every Tuesday from now on, so we're going to be open 7 days a week, which I'm really excited for, so you can come in every night of the week and every day of the week. We are cutting our lunch menu. We are just doing brunch and dinner, which is also pretty awesome. So whatever menu there was on the weekend will be available from Monday to Sunday, 7 days a week. It'll be sweet. And we're going to be doing a lot of menu changes. There's so much information coming up right now. We have Dine Out starting this Friday till February 2nd. Stay tuned for some awesome dishes there. And we have Valentine's Day coming up, which is also going to be great, $80 a head. We have BC Dungeness crab angelottis with lemon emulsion and pumpkin seeds. It's going to be so good. We have seared elk loin, chocolate red wine sauce, seared mushrooms and mushroom foam. We have coffee creme brulee with sticky parsnips, and that is going to be a really nice way to finish dessert. And we have oysters to start, and we have a warm kale salad to share. It's going to be so good. Valentine's Day this year on February 14th is on a Friday evening. It's going to book up real quick, so get your reservations in. And because it's on a Friday evening, we're also going to extend it to the Saturday. So Friday and Saturday night Valentine's Day menu, $80 a head. Get those resos in. Don't disappoint your other one.